400.
Firm 400.
Firm 400.
Firm 400.
Firm 400.
Firm 400.
Firm 400. Let's go, 400.
400. Firm 400.
Hey, Firm 400.
Firm 400.
And you need to check out Firm 400.
Firm 400.
Firm 400. Firm 400.
Firm 400. Y'all already know.
What is up, guys? It's the start of the new week. It's Monday, so I just wanted to show you guys some new items that we're going to post on the OfferUp. So this is from our pop-up stuff that we usually would have for sale at events. So I have two of these samurai shift knobs. One is in the red color, red stitching with the black color stitching inside. There's the white stitching on the outside with the red stitching on the inside. So we have these available. I'm going to post it up this week. If you guys are interested, let us know in the comment section below or just message us and we'll gladly put these on hold for you. So just let us know.
To good numbers where our rate of increase continues to go down. Every death stops us in our
Good morning, it's Thursday, and a customer just hit me up on OfferUp regarding this Acura CL grill. It's for the 2001-2003 Acura CL, and I'm finally getting rid of it. So I'm gonna meet up with the customer soon and sell it to him.
Anything else?
That'll be it. Thank you. is Saturday evening, and actually had someone hit me up on OfferUp regarding this red Katana shift knob. So they're gonna pick it up today, hook them up with a deal. Yeah, I had this posted earlier this week. Just wanted to update you guys on the vlog. So this week we feature this Katana shift knob, this red one, red stitching and black stitching. And I also still have the white stitching with red stitching. So this also comes with adapters. So I'm gonna meet up with the customer in a bit. So I just wanted to show you guys, and if you guys are interested in the white one, let us know. Here is another featured item for the week on our OfferUp. We're going to be posting this up. This is for the Volkswagen Passat. I believe it's for the 1997 to 2000 model. So this is for the 1997 to 2000 Volkswagen Passat, and these are like the Altezza style taillights for the car. So you can upgrade your taillights to this kind of style right here that I have. So you can upgrade your lights with these 1997 to 2000 Volkswagen Passat taillights. These are like the Altezza style design. So we have this here. We're going to be posting it on the OfferUp, and if you guys are interested, feel free to message us in the comment section below, or just email us, contact us through there, and we'll hold these for you. So again, these are the 1997 to 2000 Volkswagen Passat Altezza style taillights. Hello, old friend. So it's been a while, guys. Haven't gone on the Miata vlog. So today's Miata Monday. Since we're on this lockdown, I figured I want to check up on the car. I wanted to show you the latest mod on the car. Want to know what it is? Boom. There you go. So it's the headlight pop-up vent cover. Some guy was parting out his 1.6, and his was like an off-road one. Figured why not. But other than that, the car's still not running. I haven't had a chance to work on it. But last time we checked, we were running it, and we had like somewhat of an overheat or leak issue in this area. So I'm gonna have to double check. I'm gonna have to take it apart. It was running, so. And the other issue I had were the fans. The fans weren't running at all. So yeah, guys, hopefully I'll get back to working on the car. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. So stay tuned in the next Miata vlog, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more upcoming vlogs. It's Wednesday, so I had a customer that hit me up on OfferUp regarding this red Recaro camera strap. I'm going to be shipping this out to him. He's out in San Pedro. So yeah, this is the red Recaro strap that I had on OfferUp, and I'm going to be shipping this camera strap to him. So big shout out to you, Peter. Appreciate the support. And if you guys are looking for products and stuff, we have stuff posted on our OfferUp, so check out the products we have and message us if you have any questions. So let's just take a look at the camera strap real quick, guys. There it is. Pretty cool. So it says Recaro right here. Here are the ends. So yeah, this is going to be shipped out to Peter. Thanks again. It is Thursday afternoon, and earlier today I had someone hit me up on the OfferUp regarding this intercooler, this black aluminum intercooler that I have had in storage for a while, and I'm going to be getting rid of it today. Eddie from OfferUp, shout out to you. Thanks for supporting us on OfferUp. Yeah, he's going to be getting this 28x7 intercooler. There it is. In good condition, never been used. Had a few guys hit me up, but they didn't follow up back. So Eddie was the one that actually has been in contact with me. So So I'm gonna be selling this to him. So big shout out to Eddie from OfferUp. Appreciate the support, bud. I'm gonna be meeting him up in a bit, and yeah, he's gonna be getting this black aluminum intercooler. It's 28x7. So if you guys are interested in checking out all of our other things we have posted, check us out on the OfferUp. And if you have any questions, message us, and we'll be glad to help you. So yeah, guys, so we just got the intercooler here to Eddie, right? It was Eddie that hit me up. So Eddie just went to get some gas, but yeah, I got a little CRX build right here.
P20 LSD. We're about to throw a turbo in it. That's why we grabbed the intercooler.
Yeah, Eddie was telling me he got the turbo and all the other parts for it. So he got the intercooler now, and we got the little B series right here, right?
Yep. B20, a little cheesy.
Oh, it's been a minute.
Yeah.
Did you see a CRX looking good?
Can't wait for it, man. Let's get him turboed out.
Yeah.
Really be pushing it. Yeah, it's beautiful. I love it because still got the two-piece bumper and everything.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Looks good, man.
Hell yeah.
So is this the only car you guys are working on, or?
Well, actually, we got a SIEG that's in the paint shop right now, but that's straight up race. It's pushing 26 pounds of turbo, 26 pounds of boost.
Oh.
That's crazy, man. And, the owner of this car actually has a Dodge Magnum RT, but it's pretty much a SRT8 the way he's hooked it up.
Yeah, so it's a little stripped out, right? Interior's a little bit taken out, but
oh yeah,
got some decent seats. Working on the engine, you know, getting the performance ready. So
next month, and everything will be going back.
Nice.
It'll look totally different next month.
Yeah, you don't see these a lot, man. It's dope. I love the CRX.
Hell yeah.
Cool, man. So yeah, this is Trey. We just talked to him, and then this is Eddie's build. So stay tuned, guys. He'll probably hit us up if you need more parts. Just let us know.
Well, we will.
All right, shout out to Tammy. These are so good.
Oh, thank
Love
you.
these wontons.
Thank you.
He has an online thing.
Yeah.
Do you have like your own Instagram thing? You're promoting it?
No, I just started this like a
Just started that.
Yeah.
Well, if you guys need info, just hit me up. I'll give you the information if you guys want some wontons.
Thank you.
So shout out to Tammy. Shout out to Tammy. Good job. These are so delicious, guys. I haven't had these for a minute, so check it out. Hit me up. You guys need the info, and I'll definitely give you all the info for it. It is Sunday evening, and I'm going to actually meet with a customer from the OfferUp. This customer wanted to get these Chevy Silverado headlights, the top headlights, for the 0306 model. And I had these waiting for him, so I'm going to meet up with him this evening. Check it out. Very good condition. And he's also going to be picking up this quick release. I guess he has an Acura too, so you want to get this quick release, so got this for him. Going to meet up with him. And yeah, if you guys haven't yet, check us out on OfferUp at Firm 400. If you guys have any questions, hit us up in the comment section below, and we will feature more items in our next vlog. And also, the customer I'm meeting up this evening, he's also going to be picking up these LED lights for his Silverado. So if you guys are looking for any LED lighting, feel free to just message us in the comment section below, or just direct message us, and we'll gladly help you. But yeah, I'm meeting up the customer. He's also going to be picking up these LED bulbs for his headlights. Gen Barbecue, and I think they just gave us toilet paper. It's the $22 deal, guys. You get like 7 portions, 5 sides, and steamed rice. Check out Gen Barbecue. And it's time for dinner. Check out the portions, guys, for the Gen Barbecue $22 pack. And here's the sides. Time to grub.
Roger. Just got my Rebels business card, and I like them, and I would recommend to other people to get them from Firm 400. But I am a truck driver,
Okay.
so I'm trying to get my own customers, you know.
So hit them up.
All right, well, this is my business, and you guys can get a hold of me. You guys need to move your freight or loads. I'm willing to work with you. Thanks to Firm 400.